Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. Are you struggling to draw a block diagram for your research article work? Are you struggling to draw a block diagram for your presentation? Don't worry about it. You can just convert, that is AI will draw block diagram for you. So you can just enter your text and then AI will convert block diagram for you. So let us see how it will convert block diagrams into minutes. And also you are having already available templates, thereby you can edit the template and you can make use of this template to draw a block diagram. So thereby you can use for it in your academic purpose also. So let us go on to today's video and explore how to draw block diagram in minutes using AI tools. So the tool what we are going to discuss today is this called Mermaid. So it's a diagramming and charting tool. So it is a JavaScript based diagramming and charting tool that renders markdown inspired text definitions to create and modify diagrams dynamically. So you can click Mermaid live editor. So click on that editor. You will be getting a dashboard like this. So here you will be having different options here: flowchart, sequence diagrams. So next one is class diagrams, next one is state diagrams, next Gantt charts, next pie charts, next ER diagrams. So like that you will be having different configurations. For example, for research purpose mostly you will be using a flow charts. So thereby you will be getting a flow charts like this here. So you can edit this flow chart. Here you can see, just a minute. Here you can see different diagrams here. There is a live editor. So you can see here sample diagrams, flow charts, class, state. So like that different diagrams you will be having. Here you can click Mermaid.js.org. So here you can see different options: diagram syntax, flow chart, sequence diagram, class diagram, state diagrams, entity relationship diagram. So like the different syntax are available. So here click on flow chart. So here you will be having how to draw a flow chart. Here you can see a step-by-step procedure to draw a flow chart from start to stop. So you can make use of this tutorial to use this chart. So here you can see flowchart LR, so ID 1. So here you will be getting a box like this, and then you can you will be getting a box like this. So here you can enter this code, thereby you can get this different shapes. So you will make your flowchart drawing is easier. So that is a block diagrams easier. So this is the basic syntax. Thereby you can check the syntax and you can make your own flowcharts. So let us see here. So I am going to give, so instead of Christmas I am going to give some XXX. So here you can see, here you can edit this online also. Here XXX, it is edited. So like that you can make use of this option to so you can edit here also, and then you can draw your own diagrams by using this code also. So here you can click here download PNG file. So and you can download this PNG file using this option. So you can click or you can share it with anyone else. So you can use this option in this download, that is different formats of the file. So okay, so you will be having a question how to write this code easily. Then you will be having a solution. Go for Chatgpt. So you have to click a prompt like this here: generate a flowchart using valid Mermaid.js syntax that shows a grid connector solar PV with boost converter, then explain the process. So here you will be generating a graph like this. So what you have to do is you have to just copy and paste in this flowchart, that is the code, and click enter. So you will be getting a flowchart in seconds. So here you can see the flowchart here. So this is a basic flowchart you will be having. So this flowchart you will be getting. So you, in order to download this, you can copy your image or you can give download. So here you can select the width and height of the particular file. So thereby here I am going to give download PNG. So here our flowchart is generated. You will be having seeing. So this is just an example. So you can customize this easily. So no need to worry about it. So you can make a better flowchart and block diagram using this option. So by giving a proper prompt, proper commands, you can make use of this option, and you can edit this option, and you can customize this option and make a better flow diagram and block diagram. So next you can copy this image also, and you can copy and paste this anywhere. So like that you can make use of the sequence diagram, class diagram, state diagram. So like that any diagram you want, you can just generate content from Chatgpt. And also you will be getting an explanation like this. This is algorithm of the particular thing. So thereby you can copy and paste for your content creation also. So this is the important option, important prompt you will be using. Generate a flowchart using valid Mermaid.js syntax that shows the grid connected solar PV with boost converter. So like that you will giving. So if you given a particular correct prompt in Chatgpt, so according to the prompt it will generate content for that particular, that is it is generate code for that particular Mermaid code. Then you can copy and paste the code here, and you can generate the block diagram or flow diagram using this option. So this is a fantastic tool for academicians to draw block diagram in minutes just by using the Chatgpt prompt. So make use of this option to make block diagram in minutes. So this is for an instant option. So in order to go for a better block diagram, you have to go for different tools. So drawing tools like Visio, Smart Draw, etc. to make better tools. This is the online block diagram maker just for instant block diagram making. So you can make use of this option for presentation purpose also. Some teachers are in order to make a presentation, you have to make your presentations be ready. So here you have to draw a flowchart means, or any block diagram means, you will take at least 10 or 15 minutes to draw a flow diagram. By in order to save that time, you can make use of this option to generate a flowchart in minutes, and you can explain that block diagram for your students or any scholars, or you can make use of this option in this Mermaid AI. Hope this video will be very helpful for you to draw flow diagram or block diagram in minutes. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you. An important announcement from our channel. We are conducting online workshop on mastering conference and journal paper writing with Chatgpt and AI Toolbox on 24th June. So what are the contents to be discussed in this particular session is that, so introduction to conference and journal paper writing, writing effective abstracts and introductions, art of literature review and related work, methodology and experimental design, results analysis and discussion sessions, how to write it with AI tools. Next, writing clear and coherent section, and also how to reduce plagiarism in research paper using AI tools and paraphrasing tools. Next, leveraging Chatgpt and AI Toolbox for paper writing. Hope this video will be a very good eye opener for the research scholars who are going to start their research. So do this, the details of this online workshop are given in description. So you can join and get a better knowledge on writing, how to write conference and journal paper with Chatgpt and AI Toolbox. So see you soon on our workshop. Thank you.